supposedly be there 12:30. Well, early, it's not bad. Broke or there's no battery?
No, I gave it to Tommy. I thought it was low battery.
Everything is not right. That's
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Hi guys, good morning. Today's Sunday. Today is the one that I'm going to work. Yeah, good morning. Oh, Tommy made me coffee, but there's nothing in it. Did you put sugar in it? Oh, I'm gonna have one bread, guys, and then later on, before I go, I will eat the rice and the vegetables that I made yesterday, so that my baby hubs can't. Huh? Huh?
Egg salad.
No. Huh? I know it's always good, but I don't really feel like bringing it. He's pushing his egg salad. And time check now, it is, what time is it? It's almost 7 o'clock. Did you let her out? No? Is that okay? Do you have the red one?
Do I have the red one?
Do you have a red car?
Yes.
Huh?
All out of red.
I did laundry too, guys, because I have a sweater. I'm just gonna wear sweater, the gray one that you always see, because it's just a house thing. I just want to be comfortable. I still have to do the video, guys. I don't know if I can upload a video today. I'm not sure. Where's bag? Bag? Habti bag? Bread. Habs! Hi guys, kailangan ko lang itong hanger ito, mga damit ng asawa ko. Hold on guys. And I have to take a shower. Tammy's still in the shower right now. And then I am going to do my laundry downstairs. You know why I'm going to wear some sweater, the one that you see all the time? Because I'm just gonna be there anyway in the house, because it's a private job. It's not like office or anything. It's just to take care. It's being caregiver, and you have to be comfortable, you know. Plus, you know, I don't have much clothes over here. I don't have enough clothes in this house. I bring everything into my house. I can't vlog later when I get there, but yeah, so when I get out, I can go vlog going over there and going out. But over there I can't. Obviously I'm at work, and I'm planning to bring this one Skyflix crackers, and I'm planning to bring some water also. I don't wanna forget water. Maglalagay lang ako ng kilay. Simple lang ito guys, hindi masyadong ano, basta kay my color lang yung ano ko, okay na. I'm heading. Tommy is in front of me. We're living at the same time, and I hope my camera, I won't drop you guys. I hope the camera just stay put over there. Okay, let's do music. Do I have my house key, my license, car key of course, cell phone, food, yeah, so I'm good. Okay, he's leaving, and I'm following him. We're on going different directions. He's going in the city, and I'm going to the upstreet. You know what, guys? I haven't even done my armpits. Oh my god, it's just like I have a man armpits, like a man armpits, because it's just like it's crazy because I don't have a wax, and I don't make wax in here, and so now it's so hairy now, and it's crazy. Let's listen to music. I just turn you on because I'm sorry if you're kind of sideways. The thing I like about this car, guys, it is speed control. There is a speed control in this car. Like, for example, I want the speeding, like I want the speed, like if the speed limit is 65 and I want it to be like 68. Yeah, so because there is a car in front of me, it is slowing down. Yeah, slowing down. And yep. And I forgot to take an Advil because I have a headache right now, and I forgot to take it. I forgot to take 2 tablets, and my head is killing me. Plus, I don't have the eyeglasses with me right now. Look, the snow is still high. It's melting a little bit, but it's still high, guys. So the car is slowing down because of the car ahead. Anyway, guys, that's it, guys. I just want to report on you. Don't worry, I'm safe. I am, you know, I'm not everywhere. And I'm gonna be there very early though. I'm gonna get there like 11:30. I get there 11:30 and I supposedly be there 12:30. Well, early it's not bad. Early it's always good. Hi guys, I am home. I know it's early, but I just get it, as in just now, and turn the camera on. And anyway, I will tell you the story later, guys, why I'm early today and what's going on, and I will tell you more story later. And there's more. And then coming here, I called my husband that I am coming early and I have to talk to him later. And I called my mother-in-law to tell her she have to get dressed because I kind of like not satisfied with my job today. It's quick time. I'll tell you that later. I'm not satisfied. I want a more job, so that's why I told my mother-in-law to get dressed. If she wanna go to Target, I'll bring here because I wanna do the, you know, I'm eager to do work. And suddenly it's few hours only, but I will explain it to you later. So I told my mother-in-law to get dressed, and she said she'll get dressed when I get there. But before that, I have to eat. So I'm gonna go inside, and then I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna ask if she's done. Oh shit, my camera rocks. Look who's happy. Look who's happy. Look who's happy. Look who's happy. You guys are happy. You guys are happy, no? Yes, you guys are happy to see mama, no? Nandun sa ata yung matanda. Kakain lang ako at saka magwiwi. I guess yung baon ko kakainin ko lang. Ito yung baon ko kanina. So, kainin ko lang siya. Kalbasa.
I don't like my chickens live, okay? I like them dead, deep fried. You ever heard of Popeyes? No. Don't kill chicken. Yeah. I'm warning you. I'm a police officer. Put the blade down and let the bird go right now.
We're heading to Target now, guys. I hope you can see me. I'm with her.
Looks like a beautiful day.
Yep. Okay, let's go. So you're gonna look for something?
I'm gonna see if I can find a pair of dress shoes. And I'm gonna look at watches. My watch broke.
It broke or there's no battery?
No, I gave it to Tommy. I thought it was low battery, but he said it was broken. He couldn't get it to work. Watch it.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's what they want to drive early. The
Yeah.
kids, because they're like playing with the friends inside the car, and that's what accident.
Yeah, they don't watch what they're doing. What's that sound I'm hearing?
Maybe in the back. What? You still hearing it?
Yeah. Hear it?
Maybe it's a cat. The meow. I have my key. Is that what you heard?
No. It's a tick, tick.
Oh, it's here. This is that signal.
No, it's not the signal. When the signal goes off, I'm pointing it out to you.
No. I don't hear it.
Tommy should come over here. Fil-am Family Dental Arts. They have implants.
Yeah, if they'll take insurance.
Especially some stuff.
That's a nice necklace, Mom.
Hmm?
That's a nice necklace.
Yeah, it is.
But how much is it?
16.
Okay, when you buy two, you pay more. You pay the whole price of that, and this is the half price, because they only give you half price, the lesser amount of.
Oh, they all.
Yeah, so that's how it works. But that's a nice one.
This is pretty.
Yeah.
I like it.
You like long necklace. This one is the same thing, double.
Yeah. This one.
But they're all the same thing with that. The same what you have.
Oh.
Mom, this is braided too.
Oh, yeah.
It's 17 bucks. The same price with that. It's not like too much. Okay guys, nagsha-shopping lang kami. Tignan niya. Naghanap siya ng ano, yung pangtaas. Okay, I'm gonna look something. I'll bring it to you. I'm gonna look for her. I think she can wear this. Do you wear black? You don't like that? No?
Not bad.
They have a lot of things in Target, like dresses, stuff like this. Oh, I like this one, guys. Can you see this?
I'll try this jacket.
Which one?
This black one.
Oh, leather.
Yeah.
Leather looking. Baguettes, guys. Pang baguettes. This is, what size is this?
Medium.
Medium? This is a small jacket, ma'am.
Yeah. Well,
I mean, it's not really long, you know. It's probably
No.
until here.
yeah. I don't want it real long.
Okay. Put your hands there. Oh, now you're like 30.
No.
Now you're like 30 years old.
Yeah. No. This.
No, you can close it.
Doesn't close.
Yeah. How much is this? You know,
This is
$40 bucks.
$40.
Ito guys, maganda siya. You don't like this one? You wanna see this one? This one is a nice color, but it's a long, like kind of blazer thing.
Yeah.
Oh, I have like that.
I like that.
It's just really like that.
I don't have anything pink.
Is that, Mom? Let me see. It looks small though. Large, but it looks.
Yeah.
Finally, guys, we are done. We're going home. We're going home, and I'm not gonna even cook. So, okay, that's a walk. Hi guys. I don't even edit video yet. This video is today and tomorrow, for tomorrow's. Anyway, I haven't even done anything yet, and I know I've been applying different kind of job, and I apply more because, did I tell you already? Oh, I don't tell you yet. So the job that I did apply is in the advertisement. I like the job because, you know, the woman is really nice and stuff like that. And the thing is, guys, the advertisement, it is like Saturday 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning until Sunday the same hour, 9 or 8 in the morning. It's just like whole day and then overnight, and then in the morning and Sunday you go home. So I kind of like that, and I like it. That's why I apply it. In the interview, okay, when I went to the interview, the time changed. The time changed to 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 3 in the afternoon Saturday, and then 8 in the morning Sunday. So that means the hours is shortened. And then today is I went over there to work today, and it says over there in the text, when she told me the time is like 12:30 in the afternoon until 8 or 7 at night. So when I went there to work, I get there early, 11:30. I get there 11:30. They told me I work only 2 o'clock. So everything is not right, the time wise. And then Misty is trying to play with Roxy. Okay, so wow, it's like 12:30 to 2. It's like, what the heck, I drive that hours and stuff, crazy like that. And this is the hour that you give me. And then I look at the calendar, because they have a calendar for, can I just tell you guys, I was surprised. They have 5 people working already, because they have 5 people working already. They split the times, they split all the hours, the whole week for those 5. So when I look at the calendar, there are people, different kind of hours, like overnight here, like overnight. I was looking with my name, I'm not there. They hired me, but I wasn't there in the calendar. So what happened was, I asked them, do you know what time and what day am I working? And they can't answer it, because they said I have to ask Sue, the person that who interviewed me, and the one that making all the schedules and hiring people, stuff like that. So when that was happening, I kind of like, oh, this is not a good thing. It's like they don't even know what day I'm going to work and how many hours. But the lady, the lady that need to be taken care of, she said, if I work, I only 3 hours if I do work. And then they don't know the day, because they will call me if somebody can't be there. So that means, for example, if I'm sitting down here talking to you guys, vlogging, and suddenly they call me, you need to be here to work for 3 hours, I won't. That's really fucked up, because you know what, guys, I'm looking for a full-time job, another job for the weekdays, and no one can, I can't just like wait for my life for them to call me to work for 3 hours, and I don't know when. Kind of like disappointed, guys. I kind of really disappointed, and these 2 dogs are making noises, guys. And so I told her that this is not working for me, and they said, oh, she said, are you going to be available Wednesday? No, I can't be, because you know what, my husband have an appointment, doctor, and the doctor said he can't just go there alone. He needs somebody to drive him when he get home, because of the drugs that they put him. So I'm not gonna work, and then my husband like can't go to his appointment now. And yeah, they let me know ahead of that, but that's why I get home early today. I have to reply to all the messages that you sent me, guys, because I'm gonna feed the dog, because it's 7:30. Oh my god, it's 7:30 already. Holy cow. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Hi guys, it is 9:30 already in the evening, and I'm going to do a shout out. Yeah, there is a few shout outs. Okay, hold on. Shout out to LW is zone Mizo. Thank you for watching. LW is zone. Girl, happy birthday March 20, tomorrow. Today, tomorrow. That means this video is gonna be tomorrow. That means today. Happy birthday, sis! Thank you for watching. Happy birthday. And also shout out to Ruchi Soliva. Hi sis, Ruchi. And also shout out to De La Cruz Jacqueline. Hi Jacqueline. Christina Alegre. Hi Christina. Sino pa ba? Sino pang nakuha sa comment screenshot? Si Edeline Dagaok. Hi Edeline. Itulaok. Pitay. Okay, shout out si Adelfa Rivares. Hi Adelfa, thank you for watching. Hindi kami kumain ng matanda. Kaming dalawa, the 2 of us doesn't have dinner. We don't feel like having dinner. She have her lunch really late. We got here like almost 6:30. We got here 6:30, and she have bread and coffee. And me, I don't even feel like eating. I kind of like still disappointed. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Tommy is gonna be late today. I probably go to sleep, so I'm gonna end this vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
No one compares, you stand alone to every record I own. Music to